Hello YouTuber, welcome to my channel Drone for Beginners. Here I'm going to test a selfie drone. This is the Eachine E51. This little drone is for taking photographs and making videos, but when the day is not windy. Today I have a windy day and I test this drone in the past, and the same day like this day with a lot of wind. As you can see, the flag is almost in the floor. This drone has 3 modes flights. In the third mode maybe it can fly, but I'm gonna test this day, make a flight time test. So I don't think I'm gonna have the full time it could get. The remote control is very easy to use. We have in the center on off switch. This drone has a Wi-Fi camera, so you can put your phone here in the middle. The Eachine E51 comes with Headless Mode, altitude mode. So as you can see, the sticks of remote control are for a drone with altitude hold. At the right we have the trimming buttons, and in the left we have a takeoff button, take down or landing button, trimming buttons. On the top we can change the speed, and we could enter in headless mode, and we can do flips with the other button. So I'm gonna put the battery and let's see how much flight time we can take of this little drone, the Eachine E51. In the next video I'm gonna be doing a video test so you can see how it takes pictures and how is his video. This battery is a 1S 3.7 volts 750 mAh. So I turn on the drone, okay, turn on the radio, okay, up and down, and we're ready to go. As you can see, the flag is almost in the floor. It's a lot of wind. Take off button, and let's see how it flies. With a very windy day, as you can see, it almost cannot fly. So I'm gonna change to mode 2, and mode 2 he could go forward. Let's see if I can fly only in mode 2, but the wind is not helping me. I'm gonna pass it to mode 3. Now in mode 3 I can fly with no problem. But with this day with a lot of wind, I'm not gonna have all the flight time you think you can take of this drone. This selfie drone is like for only taking pictures. It's not a drone to have a lot of fun, because it's not easy. It's not easy with the wind. The wind is not his friend. But as you can see, it's very fast. It only has like a remote control distance of like 30 meters. If you go beyond 30 meters, you're gonna lose it. As you can see, it flies fighting with the wind, but I can fly here. Remember, it's a selfie drone. It's very easy to carry. The Eachine E51, what I like about it is that you can fly it with a remote control. Other versions of this type of selfie drones, you have to fly it with an app, with your cell phone, and that's not very easy to fly. With a remote control, 2.4 gigahertz is very easy, and more if you have a lot of wind like this day. It's flying, but it's fighting with the wind. Oh, if I'm not wrong, its flight time is almost like, I think like 3 minutes. In a day like this, I don't think I'm gonna go to 5 minutes. It's almost impossible. When the day is no wind, maybe you can get to the 5 minutes. Indoors is very easy to fly. But I do not recommend to fly this drone and indoors. Why? Because it doesn't have nothing to protect its propellers. So you can easy. Oh, no battery. So that was all for this flight. Wow, I don't think I'm gonna get 2 minutes of flight. You must fly this drone with no wind. If you're gonna fly with wind, I don't think you're gonna fly a lot of time. So in screen you're gonna be seeing the flight time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and ask all you want. Hope you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next flight. Thank you.